redesigned for 2023. The 2024 Genesis G90 continues in its role as the automaker's flagship and most luxurious sedan. The styling bears a familial resemblance to the G80 sedan and GV80 SUV, primarily in its stacked gun-slit headlamps and modified pentagonal grille. The G90 retains a few unique identifiers to signal its status. Power is provided by a 375 HP twin-turbo 3.5-litre V6, but a high-output 409 HP version fitted with an electric supercharger. In addition to the turbos, is available for buyers looking for maximum thrust. The G90 provides a ride and handling balance, worthy of an executive sedan, but the chassis tuning is just a tad less sharp than the best from Europe. The 2024 model comes equipped with a twin-turbo V6 offered in to potencies 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque at a base version, and 409 ponies and 405 pound-feet in the E-supercharged model. The latter uses an electric supercharger and a 48-volt hybrid system to make the additional power. Both engines pair with an 8-speed transmission and all-wheel drive. An air suspension is standard on the E-supercharged, and the chauffeur driving mode is intended to create an extra smooth experience for passengers. Our time behind the wheel of a G90 E-supercharged with air springs impressed us with a superb ride and effortless acceleration. Handling isn't sports sedan crisp, but it's admirable for its size. It doesn't lean in the corners like an old-school Landjot. Acceleration aside, the G90's opulent interior, comprehensive list of standard features, and relaxing demeanor are its hallmark qualities. Drivers looking for enthusiast-level involvement, however, should look elsewhere. The G90 E-supercharged returned 29 mpg in our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, beating its estimate by a solid 5 mpg. For more information about the G90's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Genesis's latest infotainment interface is rendered crisply on a 12.3-inch display, which also features navigation and Sirius and satellite radio. A separate 12.3-inch screen serves as a digital gauge display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also included, but sadly require a cord and odd feature in the time of wireless connectivity. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and don't forget to subscribe my channel.